ladies and gentlemen, this time around, I will not be able to attend it up to Wisconsin because I will be on a train trip exploring out west, Utah, Colorado, and New Mexico. Sadly, I will not be able to join Jackson, Levi, and Cooper on their latest rendition up to Wisconsin. But that's okay, because I have provided these men with top instructions for the trip of a lifetime. So I am officially handing this trip off.
Hey guys, Ken Pataki, he's going on a train trip while we're in Wisconsin. So you're gonna be coming with me
And me!
to Wisconsin.
Go check out our sleeping quarters.
The basement is ours.
This is our house back here.
Yeah, this is our house.
Those are steep.
Yeah. Oh, W room. Jackson.
W room. Okay. I want this bottom one. Actually, I'll go under Cooper because.
I don't want to be under you. I mean, whatever. Oh, here's the sauna.
Wow. That'll be a hide and seek spot.
There's hot coals.
It smells funny in here.
Yeah, because it's a sauna.
The sauna.
You sit right here and relax. You trying to play football?
I will.
You are, you gotta lose. Oh, this is a nice baseball table.
Bro, this is fire. It's slippery. Oh my god, I'm about to fall. Why is it so steep? Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, I don't trust this one bit. You can make the best memories with the cheapest things. Do what you do what you live, and be David Goggins.
What are you doing?
Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, let's try this. Look at this magnificent line of balls. Don't take that weirdly. Look at all of them. I'm gonna try to hit them all. One strike. It worked. Whee!
Oh, he's a menace.
I don't like those as much.
Yeah, I like the regular ones better.
Alright.
Where they at?
First of all, like, the name of this lake, like, come on now. The game. Y'all have 18 blocks, whoever makes the tallest tower wins. Alright, go.
You guys didn't start doing the same strat.
Okay, another rule, you have to do that every
You knocked mine down. Don't record it after you knocked mine down. That's what's good.
You ever see when they poo? It's nasty.
Go ahead. What's up?
See you, Levi. Oh boy. He's stuck. Straighten out your wheel, Levi. There you go. Oh boy. Get there, Cam. Get him, Jackson. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Cooper, you want to tell the video what you did to me?
So, I spun out Jackson by hitting him on my go-kart. And then, the lap later, because he was stuck, I hit him again to get him out.
Yeah, full speed.
Full speed.
Yeah, that hurt.
Are you okay, ladies? Something burning.
Great. Maybe that'll help. I love it.
Merry Christmas.
Day 2 of Wisconsin. It's cold, it's rainy, but we're still gonna find stuff to do. Right, Cooper?
Yeah.
It's like Harry Potter vibes in here.
I know.
What the heck? It's closed. Why is everything closed?
Flashlight on your phone and go downstairs and see what it looks like down there.
But it's just a walk to a door. I took the Belt Buster reference or saying to like I made a reality, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. I only had like 6 biscuits, like what the heck?
I need like the actual camera. These just know what to shoot for it, I guess. Oh, these are small.
Oh, they look snazzy, Cooper. Cooper,
What?
who is this guy?
Oh.
That guy.
That's John F. Kennedy.
Oh, really? How'd he die?
Wasn't he murdered?
Yeah.
There's fish, what is that? There's like homemade fishing something.
Oh, yo.
I got a ball of them. I'd probably take this one or that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna head dingers with this. Absolute swamp donkey. Alright, Kenny, end the video. We're getting Mr. Scott this Santa. Cause I mean, it looks pretty cool. So that's the checklist item down.
We're getting this like Chevy toaster. That's pretty cool. Probably go put in the garage.
Yeah, so we got 2 souvenirs, Kenny. Like, we should get double points, right, Cooper?
Yeah.
Alright, boys. Alright, vlog. We made a group decision to put these back, and we're gonna buy this a Bears poster as a get better gift. So we're putting away Mr. Scott's Santa and my dad's Chevy poster.
Whoa.
Like, go-karts are closed, outdoor mini golf is closed, indoor mini golf is closed, and escape room is closed, so we're bowling. look at this real quick. Strike.
Oh yeah. Okay, first bowl.
Too easy. Bowling's too easy. Too easy. Huh?
Say it again.
Oh. Bowling's too easy, you know? First try strike. Too easy.
I'm lost.
Come on, it's on Coop.
Yeah, cool. Oh wow.
Oh boy.
Okay, never mind. Bowling is very, very, very hard.
I'm about to film myself. A little stray. Hey, wait for my ball though. It's my ball. Okay. I'm gonna put you right here.
Underground golfing. It's open now, so we're doing it.
There's a whole
It's gonna come out over here.
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I'll go. No.
Indoor golf.
Stay.
Oh, it's going back down.
Are you kidding me right now?
It's a domino.
I'll go.
Underground golf. This is wild.
Six. I thought
Oh,
this was like right here.
Oh, it's there and it's mine.
That was a bad one.
I'm currently laying down. Absolutely chilling. Yo, Editor Kenny. Editor Kenny. Hold on, he's gonna be editing this. I can talk to him real quick. Hey, look what I bought. I bought a box of donuts.
Wow.
Hey, Mr.
What's
Scott.
up?
Yes,
I
sir.
got you a present. So I know you've been like asking for a cuddle buddy and stuff.
A cuddle
So I got you a cuddle buddy.
Oh, BFF. What
He
happened?
dances too.
And he dances?
Yeah.
How does he dance?
If you dissect him a little bit.
You're killing him. Oh my god. He makes fun of all my stupid jokes too. That's great. That's great. Is mine? These guys are no good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Scott's a naughty boy.
You can't see your face, babe. You got tens. Jack.
Oh, it's my deal now too.
Yeah, I think you're on your own because you're the monkey. Good boy.
Yeah, you bastard. That's right, monkey. We got him.
We're throwing you again. Just for that.
He got poked in the butt.
Stupid monkey. And it's my deal.
You're not done shuffling yet? I think it's been an hour.
I still have to separate all these cards
I
though.
gave him a happy ending.
Randy's got a deal 10.
I'm awake now. Get him,
I'm
Levi.
poking my monkey.
Get him, Levi. You're bigger than him. Alright, what's that door?
Wow, that's really cool.
Come over onto this side of the ATV.
It's really cool.